See, hospitals, ideally healthcare industry, when you speak about a healthcare industry, so healthcare industry is very difficult in the terms of adopting new technology or any kind of software. So this industry works in a very different way. But then again, in the last 5 years, this technology adoption in the hospitals, clinics, different centers which are into the medical services is improving. COVID has changed a lot in that sense in the last couple of years, where patients and doctors are now connecting a lot through the different softwares and technologies. It was not the case 5 years down the line previously. It was not happening in that sense. One major shift which happened with COVID in the last couple of years, 3-4 years, is the technology adoption at the patient level also. Now, when a user or a patient is actually utilizing that particular software or a technology, hospitals and clinics are also enabling that. So that is how this whole healthcare industry shifts. See, when we speak about automated care, so automated care ideally then one comes in the flow that how an automation being used for a patient care. When we speak about an automated care, a lot of people think that it's an automation at the surgery level which is happening with the patient, or the front end level where a patient is visiting and seeing doctor. Ideally, that is not the case, because the robotic surgeries and everything is now long in the run, right? So it's been 8-10 years, 15 years, people are using robotic systems for various type of surgeries. So that is one set of automation which is ideally a physical, or you can say a devices automation. Right from generating the prescriptions, right from seeing that what will be the cost, what exactly is required at the patient's end, what will happen after that, what kind of medicines are required, the cashless claims into that, plus hospital operations. Lot of hospital operations depend upon what kind of surgery is there, like what kind of medical devices are required for that surgery, what kind of bed is required, ICU is there, what doctor is there, what are the charges are there, what margins are there, operational expenses are there. So everything is being automated on the back end for a patient, right? So every patient or every surgery you see at a hospital is being you can say supported by an automated care on the back end. The benefits is that the hospitals are now reducing a lot of OPEX and CAPEX kind of expenses, which previously they were not. So ideally 3 major softwares are being used in any healthcare setup, right? One is a hospital management software. Or a clinic management software. It's a hospital management, a clinic, it's a clinic management software. Second is a medical billing software. And third is a patient management software. So these are the 3 major softwares which are being used in any healthcare setup. What changed in the last 5 years is the more usage of a clinic management software and a patient management software, where now hospitals or clinic setups are very much concerned about the slotting of a doctor. Lot of the hospitals, like in metro cities, 90% of the hospitals and centers and clinics use patient management software, where they know that this patient is coming to me and this is the slot available for the doctor, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever is there. Similarly, a clinic management software is being used very aggressively nowadays into the clinics. Now doctors have enabled a patient management software for the patients also, where they can ask their queries through a particular app or a device. Third is a medical billing software, which previously was more implemented into the hospitals, but right now clinics also, or individual doctors also started utilizing these particular things. Plus nowadays a lot of medical fraternity chains are also coming into the picture. So they also use these medical billing softwares to make sure that the billing becomes a seamless for a patient whenever they're coming to the clinic. And with this COVID and the digital India per se, medical billing software becomes a very easy to use software, being integrated with different QR codes, beam UPIs or credit card, cash card, whatever is there. They are being integrated. It is easy for doctors also to track down the expenses and the billing of the patients. Patient is also happy to use the services digitally. So these are the three major softwares being implemented nowadays into the healthcare industry.